Okay, welcome back. It is day 215, I believe. Um, so today, ignore the hair, by the way. I'm like so close to just buzzing this off. It is so annoying. Like the hair back here never goes down, no matter what I do. It just points out on the sides. It's like I don't know what to do. Anyways, it is day 215, like I said. Um, coding every day. My leak code recording is only 3 minutes and 10 seconds or something. So I need to make this kind of quick. Went into lab today. I did like a dashboard for the simulation, which is all right. It's good. It gives you like manual control over like the room and whatnot, but it's not really what I want to be working on. Although, yeah, it is probably really good to have for like application. I wouldn't put it in like a paper or anything. But for them next year, I guess it's a good reference when they want to actually build out this room. So yeah. But I'm still waiting on like approval for my channel state information data collection to be approved, I guess, by the advisor I have. Um, so I don't know. Um, I mean, tomorrow's like a half day for us, and then I have the weekend. So I don't know. I don't think I'll. Hopefully, at least he'll approve it or review it and give me something tomorrow. And that way, if he approves it or gives me very specific changes and I can change it, then I can do data collection over the weekend. So I can go right to training early next week and then try to get results because in 2 weeks I have not next week or the week after, but the week after that I have the poster presentation for my research. So I definitely want to have channel state information model results. So um, yeah, hopefully I can figure that out. But other than that, that's all I got. Oh yeah, the leak code. The leak code was. I need to stop doing easies. They're actually easy. Like really badly easy. It was. Although I kind of learned something. I didn't know if you could do like given like a couple letters say in this in just a string and it would find it in the string, which is pretty cool. But it was literally just given this array of patterns. Do any of these patterns are they ever in the string? And if they're ever in it, you just increase the count and then return that. So I'm running out of time, so I'm gonna end it here. I'll see you tomorrow for day 316. Take care. Bye.